Are you out of fresh ideas about what to do? There are no boring days on the Troom Troom planet. Let's turn a banana into a cucumber, paint a flower pot, play egg theater, or take an epic photo in the blue smoke. Watch these and other funny ideas in our new video. It's a gray and damp day. I have no wish to go outside, but I promised to meet my friend Belle, so I have to go. Belle meets me in the park and brings smoke bombs. They will definitely make our day colored. Ignite a fuse of a colored smoke bomb. Follow the safety rules. Do not direct the smoke bomb onto other people or yourself. Now you can make an epic photo shoot. The effect of the bright smoke will make gray and mundane photos colorful for sure. Hurry up and post them on social media. Let everyone see what an unusual day you've had. My friend leaves her banana unattended. It's her mistake, cause she will never see it again. I finish the banana in a moment. My blue-eyed friend comes back with a knife. She's about to chop the fruit into her oatmeal, but there's only the peel left. I offer her my cucumber to cheer her up. Pare the banana stalk to make it look like the cucumber one. Add a little water to gelatin. Heat it up in a microwave. Put in green food coloring. Drop the jelly over the banana peel. Let it cool. Mix a few food colorings in a palette. We will need black, dark green, and light green shades. Add a bit of white. Paint the banana. Start with the lightest shade. The closer to the end, the darker the color gets. Define the pimples with the darkest color. Let the cucumber dry. The blue-eyed girl can't figure out why she could need a cucumber, but when I start to peel it, she can see a transformation of the cucumber into a banana. My friend quickly breaks off a piece for herself, and a red tomato is everything that's left for me. My friend interrupts my photo shoot. She's got the mail. There's a cute mini camera in it. Print out mini photos. Each photo should be of the same size as a box of matches. Paint an empty matchbox black. Draw a circle on a sheet of white paper. Draw 3 identical stripes side by side. Cut it out. Cut the 2 edge strips in a zigzag pattern. Follow them to the center. Glue the circle to the triangles of the zigzag. Attach the other side to the box, shifting it slightly from the center. Paint the camera lens black. Add white paint and glow eyeshadow to the black paint. We've got a silver shade. Paint the side of the camera lens with it and define the lens itself across the edge. Add some silver details to the camera. Define the outlines with a black pen and add reflections of light to the lens with white paint. Paint the pictures in the box. This camera has only one mode of close-up photography. On the other hand, we can find an entire photo album inside. There are many pictures of the brightest moments in a compact photo box. And what to do if your breakfast is boring? Boiled eggs don't look too inspiring. You can arrange egg wars, or yolk romance, or try some balance tricks. But Belle has a creative idea of how to turn regular eggs into fairy tale characters. Take a cardboard strip and make a wide conic frustum. Cut off the excess and put a boiled egg in it as though in an egg cup. Wrap a colorful string around your finger. Tie it up in the middle and cut off the ends. This is a hairdo. Attach a piece of double-sided tape to the top of the egg and fasten the hairdo. Shape a ring out of golden tape. Cut out a tiny crown. Put it onto the eyed egg. Put another boiled egg into a black cardboard cup. Cut out 2 black circles of different sizes. Add a black strip. Roll the strip and glue the 2 circles to it. Attach the top hat to the egg. Glue eyes, and the gentleman's egg is ready. My friends created the entire egg theater. Sir Yolk is certainly in love with Princess Egg. He's been hitting on her for a long time, and she finally gives him a kiss. Now it's an egg romance. My blue-eyed friend is fascinated by the Princess Egg's crown. She wants the same for herself right now. Cut out a crown template. Trace it on the back of a glittering foam rubber sheet. Cut it out. Make holes for a clasp and hairpins. Assemble the crown. Glue foam rubber sheet circles to the pointy ends from the inside. The blue-eyed girl and Belle turn into two princesses within an instant. The friends take royal selfies. The only thing left is to wait for their knights in shining armor. The friends are excited, but what are they doing? One is drawing with colored crayons, and the other is trying to make a bow for a present. Seized by creativity, the blue-eyed girl accidentally mixes up her friend's crayons with a glue stick. She puts the wax stick into a hot glue gun and wonders why the glue has turned purple. Belle's picture has gone wrong too, so the girls decide to combine their efforts. We will need a canvas, a hot glue gun, and colored crayons. Take the wrapper off of a crayon. Pare it so that it fits in the glue gun. Heat up the gun and squeeze out colorful drops of hot wax onto the canvas. Add more colors. The canvas is turning into an awesome wax picture. You can create a true masterpiece using a hot glue gun and wax crayons. Well, girls, it's high time to get ready for fame and success on the next exhibition of abstract art. In case your favorite flower refuses to bloom, you may create an unusual flower pot to your taste. Print a stress relief coloring and cut it out to fit a flower pot. Make cuts so that the paper doesn't wrinkle. Glue the coloring to the pot. And cover the gap with a missing detail. The blue-eyed girl has nothing to draw on. She's run out of paper. The only thing left is her body. She starts drawing a colorful tattoo on her hand, but Belle hurries up to help her out. She brings two stress relievers in one, a flower and a piece of art. The girls start coloring the flower pot at once. The flower will certainly bloom quicker in this bright stress relief pot. My friend is thrashing around the room. The pages of my book keep turning over by themselves because of her movements. She completely forgot about an important meeting, and now she is going to be late. I've got a transforming calendar for cases like this. Paint a wooden frame with acrylic paint. Mark the size of the frame on thick cardboard and cut it out. Attach felt to the cardboard. Hot glue the cardboard to the frame. Cut the hook part of Velcro into small squares and hot glue a bottom to the back of each square. Attach the Velcro to the felt. Write numerals on each button using black acrylic paint from 1 to 31. Write days of the week on the top of the felt and attach a Velcro piece with the name of the month. Make some more buttons with hearts to mark important dates. You definitely won't mix up the days with a calendar like this. It doesn't have expiry dates. Just change the Velcro name each month. The blue-eyed girl has no appetite. Maybe because she's fallen in love, or maybe she doesn't like the look of her boring meal on the plate. But Belle knows how to help her friend. The meal should not only be nourishing, but attractive. This is why she's made a sausage bear for her friend. Spread out mashed potatoes to cover half of the plate. It's a lawn. Take 2 pieces of bologna and cut smaller circles out of them using a cup. Arrange bigger circles as a body and a head, and the smaller ones as ears. It's a bear. Cut the remaining sausage rings into 4 pieces and shape them like the bear's legs with claws. Attach the legs to the bear's body. Cut a circle out of cheese and make a muzzle. Put half of a yolk to make a nose, and finish the ears with cheese. Draw eyes with black food coloring. Add muzzle details and claws. Decorate the plate with hearts cut out of cheese. Make green grass out of dill sprigs and plant bologna flowers. The blue-eyed girl enjoys her meal now. With an unusual serving like this, your lunch will be funny and attractive. Did you like our ideas? Then write in your comments how you are going to have fun on a boring day. Will you make a mini camera, put on a crown, or give your friend an infinite calendar? Don't forget to give your
Do it! Prank wars, beauty hacks, magic tricks, we got your back. Tips, bring it in. You'll never be bored again. Slime, DIY, always a new surprise. The channel that will blow your mind.